Welcome to this guided meditation session focused on turning stress into relaxation, where I will be guiding you through a journey of self-discovery, relaxation, and empowerment. Please note that the information provided during today's meditation session is intended for general guidance and relaxation purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. This guided meditation session for turning stress into relaxation combines affirmations, visualization, and deep relaxation techniques to help you cultivate a healthier mindset and attract positive experiences into your life. Use this guided meditation session to empower you to take proactive steps towards turning stress into relaxation and ultimately leading a more fulfilling and vibrant life. Let's get started. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you will not be disturbed for the next 15 minutes. Then go ahead and get into a comfortable position, preferably lying back, allowing gravity to absorb you. Next, close your eyes and take a few deep, slow breaths, in through your nose, then out through your mouth, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension or worry. As you settle into a relaxed state, allow your body to become still, grounding yourself into the present moment. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breathing. As you take the next slow, deep breath in through your nose, allow your abdomen to rise and hold it. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any feelings of negativity or frustration. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment as we embark on a journey towards turning stress into relaxation. Visualize yourself as a massive ancient mountain. Your base is wide and solid, rooted deep within the crust of the earth. You are immovable and majestic. Imagine that the stress of your day is simply the weather swirling around the peak of the mountain. The winds of anxiety may blow and the clouds of pressure may gather, but they cannot move the mountain. You observe the weather, but you do not become the weather. You remain the rock, still, silent, and eternal. Feel that heaviness in your limbs, that solid connection to the ground beneath you, knowing that storms always pass, but the mountain remains. By embodying this stability, you separate your core self from the temporary chaos of the outside world. As you hold this image of unshakable strength, you reclaim your center and your peace. Let's use this moment to reinforce your intention to turn stress into relaxation by repeating after me the following affirmations out loud to the universe or silently to yourself, but either way in full belief and conviction. Let's begin. I am calm, centered, and completely at peace. I release all tension from my body and my mind. Stress flows out of me with every single exhale. I am in control of my breath and my state of being. Peace is my natural state, and I return to it now. That was great. Now, imagine you are wearing a heavy backpack. This backpack is filled with rocks, and each rock represents a specific stressor, worry, or deadline you are currently carrying. Feel the weight of it pulling on your shoulders, curving your spine, and tiring your legs. It is a burden you have been carrying for too long. Now, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful, open meadow. Slowly, you unclasp the straps of the backpack. You let it slide off your shoulders and drop to the soft grass with a heavy thud. You step away from it, standing tall and feeling an incredible sense of weightlessness. Your shoulders are light, your spine is straight, and you can breathe freely again. You leave the heavy bag there. You do not need to carry it anymore. Now let's reinforce our intentions with the following affirmations, allowing each word to resonate within you. Please repeat after me. I choose to respond with calmness rather than react with stress. My mind is slowing down and finding its natural rhythm. I am safe, I am supported, and I am relaxed. I give myself full permission to rest and recharge. I prioritize my inner peace above all else. Nicely done. Now, visualize a gentle, meandering river flowing through a lush green forest. Imagine you are a single autumn leaf that has gently fallen onto the surface of the water. You are buoyant and light. The current takes you, but it is not rushing. It is flowing with ease. Sometimes you drift around a rock. Sometimes you spin slowly in a small whirlpool, but you never resist. You simply flow. You are surrendering to the flow of life, trusting that the river knows where it is going. There is no effort here, only movement and ease. The sun warms you from above, and the water cools you from below. You are perfectly supported. Let's now solidify our intentions with the following affirmations. Please repeat after me. I handle challenges with grace, ease, and flow. Relaxation is a skill I am mastering every single day. I protect my energy and set healthy boundaries. I carry a sanctuary of peace within me wherever I go. I am resilient, relaxed, and ready for anything. Excellent job. Now bring your attention back to your breathing. Take a few deep, slow breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth, inhaling positivity and exhaling any worry or frustration. As you take the next slow, deep breath in through your nose, allow your abdomen to rise and hold it. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any feelings of negativity or tension. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, know that with each inhale, you are bringing in healing oxygen and positive energy. And with each exhale, you are removing unwanted decay and limiting beliefs about turning stress into relaxation. Now, imagine a warm golden liquid light pouring down from the sky, gently touching the crown of your head. This light is like warm honey, soothing, thick, and comforting. Feel it slowly coating your head, relaxing your scalp and smoothing your forehead. It trickles down your neck, melting the knots in your shoulders, and flows down your arms to your fingertips. It washes down your spine, into your hips, and down your legs, all the way to your toes. You are now encased in a cocoon of warm, golden light. This light acts as a shield. Stress bounces off this shield, unable to penetrate your calm. Inside, you are warm, safe, and deeply relaxed. Congratulations, you have made it to the end of this guided meditation session for turning stress into relaxation. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. When you are ready to, you may gently open your eyes, re-entering the present moment, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and aligned with the vitality that awaits you. Take a moment to express gratitude for this meditation session. Know that you have the power within you to create a life of balance, and that you can return to this state of turning stress into relaxation whenever you want to. Taking control of your mindset through consistent practice, reflection, and intentional action is crucial. Affirmations and visualizations reinforce positive beliefs and intentions that nurture your mental and emotional well-being. Embrace the belief that you are deserving of a life of balanced stress and relaxation, and watch as the universe responds accordingly.